Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're creating a personal access token now. Sign in and go straight to developer settings. Once there, choose whether you need a fine-grained token or a classic token based on repository scope. Make sure to pick only the scopes you'll use because smaller scopes reduce risk. After naming the token and setting an expiration, generate it. Immediately copy the token to a secure place because GitHub will not show it again. Store it in your password manager for safe retrieval later. Once you have the token copied, configure your local environment. You can paste the token in place of your password when using HTTPS or add it to a credential helper so Git remembers it. Alternatively, export it temporarily as an environment variable for scripts or set it in your CI as a secret. Make sure to run a test command like git fetch or auth status to confirm permissions. If an operation fails, recheck chosen scopes and the repository access level. Complete setup by rotating or labeling the token so you can manage it later. Revoke old tokens you no longer need. Make sure every machine or CI pipeline using the token is updated to the new value to avoid interruptions. If something goes wrong, first confirm the token hasn't expired and that the selected scopes include required permissions. Next, clear local credential caches and re-enter credentials. Finally, audit recent token usage in GitHub to spot access attempts, and revoke the token if you detect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.